Good day, children of class 9. Today we are at the verge or at the end of chapter 20 and end of your coordinate geometry syllabus. Your coordinate geometry syllabus has come to an end in the 14th online class. So today I will discuss 2-3 sums and I will give you the short answer to do as your classwork. So children, I am doing sum number 8. Other sums I have discussed in previous class. In triangle ABC, the coordinates of A is 2, 5 and the centroid of the triangle is 2, 3. 2 is to 1, minus 2, 1. What is the centroid? Centroid from the vertex of one vertex to the baseline if you draw a triangle, and the middle portion where all the three midpoints meet is called the centroid. Let us find the coordinate of the midpoint of BC. So let D be the midpoint of BC. You write one statement. Let D be the midpoint of BC. In triangle ABC, centroid means x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. Correspondingly, this you will find the abscissa and coordinate will be y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Here the centroid answer is given to you. The abscissa is 2 and the ordinate is 1. Abscissa is 2 and ordinate is 1. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3 is equal to minus 2. You cross multiply it. It will be 6 and 6 equals to 2 plus x2 plus y3. 2 if you transfer this side, it will be minus 2. Minus 6 minus 2 will be minus 8. x2 y3. Similarly, we'll do the ordinate side. Ordinate is what given? Ordinate is 1. And x1 5, y1 5 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 and this 5 it transferred, it will be minus 5. Plus 3 minus 5 will be minus 2, y2, y3. So, now we are asked to find the coordinates of the midpoint D. What is the coordinate of midpoint D? y2 plus y3 divided by 2. y2 plus y3 divided by 2. So, we know that y2 plus y3 is equal to minus 8. That divided by 2 will give you minus 4. Again, this is the abscissa and now the ordinate y2 plus y3 divided by 2. So, we know y2 plus y3 is equal to minus 1. So, instead of y2 plus y3, we will write minus 2 divided by 2. That is equal to minus 1. So, we have found the abscissa and the ordinate of the midpoint D. The midpoint of D is equal to minus 4 minus 1. This is your answer. Children, copy the sum carefully. And now we will proceed to the last but not least sum, that is sum number 10. Now coming to a last but not least sum, sum number 10. The vertices of triangle ABC are A minus 1 5, B 3 1 and C 5 7. D, E, F are the midpoints of BC, CA and AB respectively. Let us find the area of the triangular region of triangle ADEF and prove triangle ABC is equal to 4DEF. Alright children? Now, this sum had 3 parts. First, you have to find out the midpoints. Then you have to find out the area of the triangular region DEF. And then you have to prove that triangle ABC is equal to 4 times DEF. Alright? So, very easy. Take it very lightly. Don't pressurize your mind. Just you draw the triangle ABC with the coordinates. A is minus 1 5, B is 3 1 and C is 5 7. We are given what information? the vertices at the triangle ABC. Let A is equal to -1, 5, B is equal to 3, 1, and C is equal to 5, 7. And D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC. E is the midpoint of CA. E is the midpoint of CA, and F is the midpoint of AB. Now we have to find the coordinates of F, D, E. So what is the coordinate of F? F means the midpoint of the line A and B. A is -1, 5, and B is 3, 1. So -1 plus 3 divided by 2 is the abscissa, and ordinate will be 5 plus 1 divided by 2. This will give you +2 by 2 and 6 by 2, that is 1:3. So F's midpoint F is 1, 3. Next, coming to next midpoint D. Now we have to find what is the next midpoint D. First the abscissa, 3 plus 5 divided by 2, and then the ordinate 1 plus 7 divided by 2. 3 plus 5 is 8 divided by 2. 1 plus 7 is 8 divided by 2. So both the answer is 4, 4. Ordinate and abscissa is 4, 4. Now midpoint E. Midpoint E is the midpoint of these two line points. A is -1, 5. C is 5, 7. So midpoint will be addition of the abscissa and ordinate. So -1 plus 5 divided by 2 is your abscissa. 5 plus 7 divided by 2 is your ordinate. So -1 plus 5 will plus 4 divided by 2. 7 plus 5 plus 7 is 12 divided by 2 will give you 2 and 6. So we have calculated the first step of the sum, that is finding out the midpoints of the sum. Now we will come to the second part. For that I have to rub the board because my board is small. I will be rubbing the board to prove the second and third part of the sum. That is the triangular region DEF, and we have to prove whether the triangle ABC is equal to 4 times DEF. So for this region, two triangle region we have to find out, that is triangle ADF triangular region and area of triangular region ABC. And then only we can come to the calculation. Alright. So I will just take few minutes to rub the board. Now we will prove the triangular region of area DEF, where D is equal to x1, y1, E is equal to x2, y2, and F is equal to x3, y3. Now you know the values of D1, E, and F. What is D? D is 4, 4. What is E? 2, 6. And what is F? 1, 3. Now we will just put the values, and you know what is the area. By this time, at the end of the chapter, you should know the formulas by heart. The area of the triangle is half x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 plus x2 is equal to y3 minus y1 plus x3 is equal to y1 minus y2. So just put the values what we get. Half 4, 6 minus 3 plus 2, 3 minus 4 plus 1, 4 minus 6. Half 4 into this 6 minus 3 is 3, 4 3s are 12. 3 minus 4 is equal to -1, 2 into -1 minus 2. 4 minus 6 is equal to -2. 1 into -2 is equal to -2. So half into 12 minus 2 makes plus -4. So 12 minus 4 is 8. Cancel, you will get 4 square unit. Why I write square unit? Because it is the area. Area is always represented in square units. Now coming to the bigger triangle ABC, the bigger triangle. In triangle ABC, we know A is equal to x1, y1 minus 1, 5. x2 y2 is 3 1 and c is equal to x3 y3, that is 5 7. Just you put the values. Here I have not written the area formula of the area of a triangle. Now what is half? Minus 1 bracket 1 minus 7 plus 3 7 minus 5 plus 5 5 minus 4 minus 1 minus 6 plus 3 into 2 plus 5 into 4 minus 1 minus 6 is equal to 6. 3 2s are 6, 5 4s are 20. So we are coming to 6 plus 6 12 plus 20, that is 32. So half 32. If you cancel, you will get 16 square units. Now we have come to the end part of the sum. Proof triangle ABC is equal to 4 times triangle DEF. So we will do what? We will just divide it. Triangle ABC and the mid triangle. You can see the mid triangle. This triangle, it is the mid triangle, alright. If you join it, it is the mid triangle, alright. Mid triangle DEF. So we'll just put the value. What is the square value, area value of ABC 16? What is the area value of DEF 4? Cancel it. What will get? Or ABC is equal to 4. Just cross multiply DEF. Have we proved? Yes, we have proved. Now today's classwork, you have completed all your coordinate geometry sums. Only the MCQ of this chapter 20 is left. That is short questions. You will have to try on your own, and you have to, there are 4 options. You will just write the correct answer, which will be uploaded in your next class. You search for the correct alternative. So your last sum 12, 1 to 5 all. Today's classwork. Any queries, you can contact me in this number 9875441516. Thank you children. Have a great day.